Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are going to make 3 easy, cute and amazing bookmarks. So let's get started with our first bookmark. For this we need a blank sheet of paper. On this we will draw a cute deer, and then on the back side of this paper we'll draw the back side of this deer. Now we will cut this deer and then we will color it with dark brown and light brown. To color this I am using watercolors. After drying off the color, we'll use a black sketch pen for the outlining of this deer. After this, we will draw some lines in the borders like this to decorate it. On this, you can write any good words. This is the end product which you will get at the end. And the same design I have done in the back side of this bookmark also. Now we will go on to the second bookmark. For this we need 5 strips of different colors. Then we will stick them upside down like this, how I am doing. Next, we will fold it in a diagonal manner. We can also do it from backside like this. The backside method is much easier than the front side. After this, we will glue it together. At the end, you can cut the uneven edges. Next, we will hole a punch on the one side of this bookmark. Then we will roll some blue yarn and pink yarn and knot it at the end. Something like this. So guys, our second bookmark is also ready. Now we go to the third bookmark. For this third bookmark, we need a piece of ribbon. I was having this fancy ribbon, so I used this. Then we will cut 30 centimeter from this ribbon. And also you can use any ribbon which is present at your home. Now we will need a needle and a thread and a button, and we will sew it at the end of this ribbon. After that, it would just look like this. And at the other end, we have to keep a small opening to pass a rubber band. Now, here I have cut some red, green and light pink and lightest pink squares. Here I have taken some cardstock to cut these. And then on this I'll draw some elements of a cupcake of different sizes and shapes. For this lightest pink color, I am drawing a cup. On this light pink color, I am drawing the cream of the cupcake. And then on this green color, I am drawing a leaf of the cherry. And on the red, I am drawing a cherry. Now we will cut this. First, we have to place all the elements together. Then we will decorate with some sketch pen and other things. So guys, just have a look on this cute and yummy cupcake. And then after coloring this cupcake, we will cut this rubber band and put it in the small opening and tie a strongest knot so that it doesn't remove again. And then we will cut the uneven edges and paste this cupcake on the rubber band side. So guys, at the end it would just look like this. Our third bookmark is also ready. So friends, now I will tell you how to use this book. And guys, if you want me to put videos on any topics, you can just comment down below. I'll make sure to put videos on those topics. And friends, if you have any questions or suggestions on this video, please comment in the comment box and make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.